Gas Detection System or GDS. Just a disclaimer, this video is created for educational purposes only. The main objective of this video is to give you an idea about GDS or Gas Detection System. So what is Gas Detection System? So this is a system that is designed and created for the purpose of detecting a gas, specifically toxic gas, flammable gas, and other harmful gases. So the gas detection system composes of three main parts. First, the sensors or the sensor assembly. Second, alarm stations. And third, main panel or the display monitor. How the GDS will function. So first, the gas sensors, it will detect the presence of the harmful gas, and it will communicate to both the alarm station and the display monitor. So alarm station and display monitor will notify and alert the personnel. So the alarm station will notify or alert using the siren, okay, the horn to make a sound, and also the visual lights. So there is a toxic light which is blue or amber, and then there is a flammable combustible or LEL light which is the red color. The main panel will also notify or alert by showing the current readings of the sensors and also showing which relays or alarms, high or low alarms, are being triggered. So this is real-time readings of the sensor. Some of our sites not only have the outdoor alarms but also with indoor buzzers. So cabins, offices, accommodations, the personnel inside will also be alerted and notified of the emergency. Now, to learn more, let's proceed to the gas sensors and its parts. Okay, in this video, we will talk about the gas sensors and its parts. So this is a sensor, one of the sensor. This is an H2S sensor. Okay, so this is the one responsible for detecting the gas, specifically toxic gas, H2S. Okay, parts, we have the display. So first, this antenna, okay, so we have antenna connected to the sensor responsible for the wireless connection, so it will communicate wirelessly. In the display, you will notice there are three buttons or functions. So there is add, sub, and then menu. Okay, so you will see here the add, and then the sub, and then the menu. Okay, so aside from the button, the display will be in the middle. You have here the cap. This is the splash guard or protector. Okay, also this is where we input our hose during calibration. So you see there's a hole here. Okay, if you have the calibration cap, you can use that. If no, this one will also be acceptable. So in this type of sensor, it has a power supply coming from the battery here, which is charged by the solar. So this specific kind of stand has a solar and battery supply. Some sensors doesn't have a separate power supply from here. Okay, they only use the battery inside, the 3.6 volts battery. Okay, so the second one we have here, another sensor. This is this time LEL sensor, or the combustible flammable gas sensor. So the same, the antenna is there. There is buttons, the same buttons. There's a label here. Also, you can figure out what sensor it is based on the sensor element inside. When you open this sensor element inside, you will know what sensor is inside. There is a magnet, by the way. So this magnet is used to operate this device. So either you press the button, the one inside, or you use this magnet to control the operation of the device. So that's it. Gas sensors looks like this, and those are the common parts. Okay, next, alarm station and its parts. Okay, in this video we will talk about the alarm station. So this is the alarm station. Okay, so what is the alarm station and what are the parts? So alarm station now is the equipment responsible to notify or alert the personnel working in the site or in the area. So we have two lights here. So the blue represents H2S. Sometimes it's amber, but it's the same, also H2S, toxic gas. The second one is the light, red light, for the LEL, or the combustible flammable gas. So this is one way to notify or alert the personnel. The light will blink. We have also the horn or the siren. So horn and siren also will notify and alert. So visual and audio. Okay, so here we have the relayer. We call it relayer. As you can see, the antenna also is here. So it's always having antenna, alarm station, sensors, and the monitor display. Okay, there is a solar. We have solar panel here. And then the power supply, which is the battery. So those are the parts. Power will be coming from here to supply the relayer. The solar will charge it, battery, and then these are the notification or alert device, visual and audible. So for the tools, the same. Inside, as you can see, there is 3 buttons. Here you will see there the add, the sub, and then the menu. So also magnet, but bigger type of magnet this time to control, or you can just open this and press it from the inside. So buttons are here. Okay, display is here. Okay, so that's for this relayer. Also, there is a box here for the power supply. So battery is inside. You need the key box to open it, same like this, or the flat screwdriver you can use also to open. So those are the parts for the alarm station. And lastly, the main panel or the monitor display and its parts. Okay, in this video we will talk about the monitor display or the main panel. So this one is responsible to display. So this is like your secondary or remote display. What the sensor reads in the relayer will be shown also here. So parts, antenna to be able to communicate wirelessly. Okay, so this is powered 220. So power supply is 220 for this. Sometimes we use UPS to protect the device. Okay, let's open it. So this is the display area. Inside we have this flash drive or USB. to take the data, the readings every time we do function test and calibration. So we need this data to be recorded. So this is the flash drive. You just need to remove, put inside your laptop with the software to read it, and then you can get the data. In here you will see this panel that has a buzzer installed on it. So this is customized already. We normally don't have this, so not all main panels having the buzzer, the switch for the buzzer to on and off, and power supply. So power came here. There is a switch here, so switching on and off will be this button, or this switch, sorry. So this is responsible to notify you and alert you while you're inside, you're indoor. Okay, that's it. Monitor, display, and parts. To summarize, GDS stands for Gas Detection System. It is a system designed to detect the presence of harmful gases and to alert personnel working in the area. GDS mainly comprise of three equipments: gas sensors, alarm stations, and main panel.